Hello and welcome to our channel. Ice creams are the popular food of interest for almost everyone during the summers. Among few of the ice creams which I tried making at home, this one stands my favorite. And yes, here we have for you the recipe of this special dragon fruit ice cream. And the amazing part is, it has no added colors or preservatives or stabilizers. And so it's a good option to give to your kids frequently when they keep asking you and you don't have to feel guilty. So do check out the recipe and let us know how you like it. For making this dragon fruit ice cream, I prefer to take the ripe and the red colored dragon fruit. Though you can use any type of dragon fruit for this recipe. Of course, the red dragon fruits are much sweeter and gives a good vibrant color. First, select the dragon fruit of your choice, trim the ends and peel the skin. This fruit can be directly used in the recipe without any cooking process. Here, I would like to cut to small pieces. The dragon fruit is a tropical fruit and is a very hydrating fruit, which, when fresh, is said to have about 85 to 86% of moisture content. These tiny black seeds which you find inside the fruit are said to be rich in omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids. Once done, take it to a small bowl. Here I'm using a hand blender to crush and blend the pieces of the cut fruit. I like to do it this way as the seeds won't be ground and hence that's good. Now if you don't have a hand blender, then simply use a fork and crush in the fruit as the fruit is very soft. This fruit is low in calories and also low in glycemic index, and hence it's a fruit to consider even if you are diabetic. Though usually it is not allergic, but if you're having it for the first time, do have a small portion and check out to see if you have any rashes or hives or any difficulty as such. And once this is done, let's keep it aside and proceed with the actual ice cream making. Into another bowl, I'm taking double cream. You can also use the whipping cream. Then, with the help of an electric mix, whip the cream at medium to high speed. First, start at medium and then slowly increase to the high speed. Keep whipping for 3 to 5 minutes or till the cream becomes airy and fluffy. And when the cream has almost doubled on whipping, so here comes the sweet condensed milk and few drops of vanilla extract, which is actually optional. Continue whipping the cream for at least 2 to 3 minutes at medium to high speed. Then again, after 2 to 3 minutes, let's add the star ingredient to this recipe, the dragon fruit extract or the puree which we had previously prepared. It's good to keep with the measurements while making this ice cream and follow the recipe to get the perfect texture of the ice cream. After adding the dragon fruit, just whip all together at medium speed for 1 or 2 minutes, just to combine the ingredients well. Or this step can also be done with the help of a spatula. And of course, remember not to over whip the cream, or else it can turn grainy and then we lose the creamy texture of the ice cream. And that's it. See, this is creamy and here's our dragon fruit ice cream almost ready. Now what's left is to pour it to a tray and set it to freeze. Take an ice cream tray or a bowl of your choice and pour in the ice cream base. As being low in calories and carbs and high in fiber, it's also a fruit of choice to add to your weight loss diet plans. Level the tray and just tap few times to set it well and remove any large air pockets. Lastly, I'm just topping with a crushed dragon fruit, but you can add nuts or any other toppings of your choice. Then simply cover with a cling wrap to make it airtight. And then it's time to just pop it into the freezer compartment. In the home refrigerators, it is good to freeze for about 6 to 8 hours. After almost 6 plus hours of freezing. And here, this is our dragon fruit ice cream. It's about perfectly done and ready to serve. And this is how I love to serve this ice cream. Scoop in and relish as much as you like. As you know, this is absolutely free of colors, additives, stabilizers, and even many other chemical agents. In a health point of view, it's good to avoid ice creams during the morning and the night hours to keep you free from respiratory and gut issues. But just enjoy as you like during the daytime and when the summers call for it. So what's next? Try making this recipe of dragon fruit ice cream next time when you get some fresh dragon fruits. And if you like it, then share this recipe with your family and friends. The details of this recipe with the ingredient measurements is available in our website also. You can take printout or save it for reference. And as always, don't forget to share with us your comments and feedbacks. And thank you for being with us, with hopes to see you soon in our next video.